After experiencing camera problems myself and spending days testing various solutions, I finally identified several methods that consistently work, and I will share them with you now. One common reason your Xiaomi camera app might fail is due to corrupted temporary data or cached files. Clearing this old data often resolves conflicts, allowing the app to start fresh and function correctly, much like giving it a clean slate. Another powerful solution involves ensuring your phone's operating system, MIUI, is completely up to date. Software updates frequently include critical bug fixes and performance improvements that can directly address camera malfunctions and compatibility issues, making your device more stable. Sometimes, a recent camera app update can actually be the problem, introducing new bugs. Reverting to an earlier version by uninstalling these updates can remove the faulty code, bringing back stability and resolving unexpected errors. For persistent issues, a factory reset is a complete system overhaul. This drastic step wipes everything clean, removing any deep-seated software conflicts or corruptions that might be preventing the camera from working, essentially making your phone like new. By following these approaches, you can effectively fix camera app not working and black screen error in Xiaomi, getting your device back to normal.